Welcome back. You're watching Talk Stocks. Let's get you the latest on KC International. The company has bagged orders worth 980 crores. The MD and CEO of KC International, Ramesh Chandak, is joining us over the phone line. Mr. Chandak, good morning. Happy New Year to you.
Good morning and very Happy New Year.
Thank you very much. And congratulations on your big order win. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Thank you very much. I think one thing is that this order is very important because just last week we had issued another order of 1,000 crore. So on the back of 1,000 crore, another order of close to 1,000 crore is very important for us, and it changes the absolutely the order book of the company. Secondly, this order is very important to us because this is in a substation segment, which we call a power system division, and this has a range ranging from almost 110 kV to 1150 kV, and this includes large number of substations which have to be made, modified, corrected. And in a substation, this is a very large size order when we look at this. Secondly, these orders have to be executed in the extreme conditions, that is from -40 degree, -30 degree. That's another experience which we'll gain in executing these orders.
Right.
And power system division almost becomes like a very competing division with our transmission division because this also is growing very fast.
Right. Mr. Chandak, so this order is from the Kazakhstan Electricity and Electricity Board. Where is the order from? Order
is from a country known as Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
And this is in the northeast part of the Kazakhstan and south of Kazakhstan. So basically these orders is a total of 2 orders. One for 21 substations, another for 17 substations. And this is on the entire Kazakhstan country.
Right. And over what duration will this be implemented?
These are very large orders, so this will have to be executed over a period of 33 months.
33 months. And you said that it was worth 980 crores.
Yeah, that 942 crore is this order. And there is another order of 38 crore which has come from Power Grid, that's for 400 kV substation.
Okay.
So put together is 980 crore, but this particular Kazakhstan order is 942 crores.
And if I can ask you about the Power Grid order, over what period is that going to be implemented?
That's normally less than 2 years.
That's less than 2 years.
Yeah.
And where does your total order book stand at this point?
I think now we have to look at the December billing, but I think it will be close to 8,000 crores.
8,000 crores. And just looking at the quarter gone by, Mr. Chandak, can you recap for us what were the main highlights? I mean, these are big orders for you, but apart from this, what have been the main highlights?
No, I think this really re-emphasizes that, like we are always focusing on India and Indian growth story, but I think what we have seen that in the last quarter, we have received substantial orders from the overseas market. And in transmission segment as well as power system segment, almost our order intake in last 3 months has been close to 3,400 crores, which is the highest ever received by company in all its history. So that has been a very satisfying quarter for us in general.
Okay. Mr. Chandak, I have to leave it over there. Many thanks for coming on and have a good year.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Ramesh Chandak over there. Devang, quick word on KC International. What do you make of their plans and the order win?
It's a great order that they got in the last couple of weeks, one order today and one order in the last week. And this is the right time when Power Grid gives orders to all these companies like KC International, Jyoti Structures, Kaltaru, Power Transmission. All this can be beneficiaries of big order flows in the transmission and distribution segment. So I guess we do not have a rating on this, but looks interesting.
Alright, let's slip into a short break on that note. We come back with some more of your questions as we go into the last leg of the show. Keep writing in.